Hi guys, welcome back to my final DungeonDanger Devlog video. Today I'm gonna take you through the last week of progress. I didn't really add that much. I did get some feedback from the playtest run, so I mainly focused on bugs and glitches. Last Friday I thought I fixed a glitch that showed up a lot in the playtest, but it wasn't fixed. So then one day later, I managed to actually fix it. So um, there are still some bugs, fairly small ones, that have to do with the saving system. Because now sometimes when you uh, unlock a door or grab a key before saving and then reload the save, um, it it's not saved. So, but I'll manage to fix that. Other things that I focused on this week was just finishing off the project. So I started adding a lot of particle effects and sounds. So let me just go through my game so you can hear some things. I added a little bit of a dynamic sound system. So when you get close to enemies, when the enemies get assigned to the player, um, they start playing uh, different music. Um, yeah, a little bit more hectic music. Um, and if your sword hits something, let me just show you real quick. If it hits something, it plays this sound and it shows this little particle effect. I do still want to change the player model, but I didn't manage to because all the animations are set to generic and not to humanoid. So maybe I'll be able to fix that later. One more thing that I added, another thing that I added, if I go up to my scenes and to my story scene, I now have the option to skip the entire story, which only shows up after you press the button. So if you don't do anything, it's gonna play. If you press the button or any button, it's gonna go through the text a little bit quicker, and then the skip button is gonna show up as well. Another thing that I added were some extra cutscenes to make solutions a little bit more clear. And then I also added this credit scene, which for now just has the default lorem ipsum text in it. And I copied the script from another project, so it automatically scrolls, and you have the option to scroll it with your mouse wheel as well. And then you can return to the title, which doesn't work yet. So for the next week, the only thing that I have to fix are those two issues that I still have, and I have to add um, all the third-party things. I have to add that to my um, credit scene, and then I'm basically done. So let me just write some stuff off. So main scene is pretty much done, but I'm not gonna completely finish it. The credits are gonna be, so these are the things I still have to work on. The boss fight, maybe if I have a little bit more time, I can fix some stuff around there, but I'm not sure. The map design is basically done. Particle effects are done. I could fix this. I have some music and I have some sound effects. So these are the only things I have to work on next week. And then I also have to make my presentation, and then it's going to be the end of the project. So then last final thing is adding a page to making a itch.io page and trying to make a WebGL build. I always want to have a WebGL build, but it might have some performance issues or something, but I'll try and see if it works. And I think that's it for this week, or this project as a whole. So yeah, maybe I'll make another video next week, but I'm not completely sure. If not, then you'll see me in my next project. So, all right, bye bye.